Good afternoon, class, and welcome to today's class. This afternoon, we'll be looking at Canva, how to create slides using Canva. Canva is also similar to WPS, but it's much more easier in creating presentation. So join me as we create our presentation using Canva. So you tap on your Canva application. I'm sure you have it already downloaded in your mobile phone. If you don't have it yet, please go to Google Play Store and download your Canva. So I tap on the Canva icon or the Canva app on my Android phone and expect it to load. So Canva will load up, and once it loads up, you can use it to create your posters, your ID card, your labels, any graphical related presentation that you want. You can create a book brochure and the rest. But for the purpose of this class, we are looking at slide or presentations. So you type in the search box slides, okay, and wow, we have here about 60,000 templates of slides here. But let's just take something very easy, like take coaching for success. Now, the beautiful thing, then you tap edit for you to work on this Canva. Now, the interesting thing about Canva is that you can just create your presentation from scratch. Someone was asking me, oh, I was working on WPS and he wanted to change a color of a particular template because it was a default template. It was difficult, but with Canva that is not difficult. You can achieve that by editing your template. All you need to do is to tap on the template and you can make changes. For instance, now this template, I want to target how to avoid the spread of COVID-19. So once you just double tap on it, everything is selected. You erase it. You now say how. Let's type how to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Okay, I'm done. So you can tap and drag up to move it. Let's tap and drag up. Okay, then I can edit the content below here, and I say that how to avoid the spread of COVID-19 using Canva. Okay, I'm done here. So what you do is, let's assume we are good with this first page and want to go to the next slide. On your left, just press the button here where you have one. I tap the one. Then within this screen, you can see the plus button. Just click on it. As you tap on it, it takes you to the second slide. So that's how to create a second slide or second page. Now I tap on the second page. I want to put an image of how to avoid the spread of COVID-19. So you tap, then you see your gallery comes up. Then you can now scroll through your gallery and pick any information that you would like to use as a background. Now we are looking at how to avoid the spread of COVID-19. So let me look for something that has that kind of information. Okay, I think I have a graphic image here. I tap this. Now I have that image there. So it shows us all the various actions we are supposed to do and what we are not supposed to do to avoid the spread of COVID-19. Now you are done with this slide. I want to get the third slide. As usual, you press this number 2 on this lower left. When you press it, then you click on the plus button again. It takes you to slide 3. Now we have slide 3. You tap again on that slide, but I don't want this image. You can see that you can change the image. So just tap on that image. It takes you to your gallery once again, and you can also replace the picture there with another image. So let me use something that has to do with, okay, I think I have a picture of COVID-19 itself, the coronavirus. Okay, this is the image. Let me add it. Good. Now I have the image of COVID-19. Now, somebody will be wondering, how do I now add my text? We have seen how to add pictures and images. So what you just need to do, on this lower right button, just tap on your plus. Then you see the text icon, image, video, and sticker. So once you tap on the text, you will now tap on add some text of your own. As you click on it, you can increase the box, make it bigger, then you double tap for you to make editing possible. Now I will now type stay at home, and stay safe. Okay, I'm good with this, but I'm not comfortable with this color because of the background. So you tap on this black icon close to the open sans, since I don't want to change the font. Then you see different color drop out. So you tap, let me take this yellow. Wow, this yellow is beautiful. So I think I can just make do with this particular font color. So you tap again. I want to add the fourth slide. So you tap this number 3 button, then you go and click the plus. It takes you to your fourth slide. Now let's assume I don't want this image again. As usual, I tap on it. It takes me to my gallery. Then I can now put any image that suits me. I can put this to show social distancing. And I tap on my plus and say text. Add simple text. I increase the box. Then I tap inside so that I can make changes to the content there. So I will now say observe social distancing. Okay, now I can also make it bigger. How do I do that? I just click on it and increase it. I can also change my font style. All I need to do is to tap on the font and change the style if I wish, but I don't want the font. I'm okay with this font. I want to change the color. I want something brighter. Let me take white. Okay, no, white is too. Okay, yellow. Let's use this. Okay, let's just take this color for the purpose of this class. Remember, when you are practicing your own, you can do something much more better. So I'm good with this. Observe social distancing. Okay, I tap my number 4 and press the plus. Now it gives me the last slide. I don't want to use this image as my background. I can go to my gallery and take something different and use as my background. Okay, let me use this image as my background. Then I want to add text again. I click on the plus, the text button. You tap on add some text of your own, make it bigger, and you begin to type. Now what do I want to type here? I want to type thank you. Okay, I'm good with this, but I can make it bigger. So how do I achieve that? I tap and increase it, make it bigger and bigger. Then I drag it and put it in the middle, and I make it bold. Thank you. And I'm good to go. So that's that about this presentation. Stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Now, because I'm done, I have 5 slides now. Okay, I have slide 1, slide 2. Okay, let me go to the beginning. Slide 1, how to avoid the spread of COVID-19. I have a graphical image there. Stay at home and stay safe. Observe social distancing, and that's all. So what I need to do now, you tap on the blue button on this top right. Once you tap it, it in form of a video file, okay, such that you can just easily share to your friends and your audience. Unlike WPS, with WPS you have to play it and record it with a V recorder for you to have it in a video format. But with Canva, immediately it renders your file. As it's saving it, is converting it to a media format, such as a video that you can now share and play. So the slides will now be playing automatically. That is the beauty of it. It's as simple as ABCD. All you need to do is just tap your Canva tool application, type on slides, and choose from the variety of slides that you have there. Then you begin to edit. Then click the plus sign where necessary, and you can go. So now my file is done rendering. So what I'll now do is I want to save it to the cloud. Okay, I'll save it. I could save it to my drive, or I want to save it to my WPS cloud. So once I click on save to WPS, now this file will be saved in the cloud. Okay, then it's asking me of the name. I can now type Canva training. Okay, then I upload it. Once it's done uploading, then I can go to the folder called Canva and pick up the file and share it. Okay, there's a folder on your phone called Canva. You'll be able to pick up that file and upload or share to any other platform. That is all about Canva. Okay, that is all about Canva. You want to save it elsewhere, you can also come back to your tool and choose. Perhaps you want to upload it to a WhatsApp environment, you can choose that. But for now, we have just looked at how to create Canva, how to create a presentation using Canva. That will be all. Thank you for your time as you practice how to create your own presentation using Canva.